Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to break down for you how you can import all your emails and contacts from Yahoo Mail, for example, to Gmail or to your Gmail account really quickly. So let's get started. Now, all you need to do, guys, you don't even have to log into your Yahoo Mail account necessarily to do that. All you need to do is head over to Gmail, and here in your inbox, click on that gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Next, click on See All Settings. That is going to redirect you to your account settings here in Gmail. Now, from that menu here at the top, select Accounts and Import here. After that, click on this option here, Import Mails and Contacts. Import from Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL or other webmail, and so on and so forth. So click on it. And in the final step, all that will be required from you to do is to simply enter the associated email from the email account you would like to link and import here. For example, I don't know, test123@yahoo.com. So copy and paste it here, confirm by clicking on continue here, and wait for the importing process to be finished. It may or may not take a moment depending on how many emails and contacts you're importing. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.